Once you have subscribed to NPA Value Guide Pro and are logged into your account, you may access the tool under Member Tools on the right side of the account page. The Value Guide Pro tool will open in a new tab. You may be prompted to log in. You may search a vehicle's value by entering the VIN or year, make, and model of a unit. You will then be prompted to enter the mileage and color. The vehicle color does not need to be entered to determine a value. If the true miles are unknown, click the checkbox for True Mileage Unknown. Once you hit Search, the AI algorithm will go to work to deliver a value. When the value screen is loaded, you will see the estimated cash value in the top left. A range is provided, as some vehicles might be in slightly cleaner or rougher condition. You will also see an estimated condition report score, which automatically defaults to 82. You may adjust the condition of the unit you are evaluating by toggling the vehicle attribute sliders below. Any changes made will automatically adjust the current estimated value and the condition report score. Mileage can also be adjusted, which will change the estimated value. Interactive charts are provided by clicking on the chart icon next to the condition wrench. These charts provide up to 2 years of transaction data, and the interactive interface provides a trend level analysis. You may adjust the time frame by sliding the bar at the top. The chart points are selectable and populate additional vehicle data specific to that unit sold through NPA. The charts include average sale price by score, and sale price by miles. Each chart contains data points specific to that unit sold through NPA. Additionally, the auction gavel provides actual historical data for vehicles that sold through NPA, including photos of the units. Results can be sorted by score, miles hours, amount, sale date, location, and color. Even if a vehicle's characteristics fall outside of the AI model's parameters to return a value, Value Guide Pro will still chart out and deliver all available auction transactions over the last 24 months. The final icon next to the gavel populates information from NPA Value Guide Plus. This provides the NPA and NADA average value, vehicle attributes, condition, mileage, time breakdown, and vehicle details. Dealers can select a specific month and auction location to provide more accurate data.